Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I will tell you how to draw a drawing with a cotton earbuds. So guys, please watch the video till the end. It's of only 1 minute. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel and share to other friends also. Thank you.